Hello everyone, welcome to BOGONG channel. Some customers will tend to use spiral cleaning mode for wood cleaning works, but they are not very clear about the settings and parameters in this mode. So today in this video, we'll show you how to set and adjust the parameters according to your specific needs. First of all, we need to understand what determines the final form of the spiral cleaning mode. There are waves, series, and cycle.
The first width is scan length, the second width is scan height. Let's test with different scan lengths and scan heights. You could see the scanning range of the laser working is changing. Second is series. Series range is 1 to 16. It indicates the number of waveforms in the spiral mode. Series smaller, the waveform less. Series bigger, the wavelength more. Cycle is the period of the sine waveform in the x-axis direction. The smaller the number, the greater the frequency of the waveform fluctuation. Customers could choose different waveforms and scanning ranges according to the cleaning range and cleaning materials. Transparent varnish on the surface of the wooden board. Black paint on wood.